Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Are you all studying? Completing your homeworks? Okay, very good. Today we are going to do EVS part 2. So today we are going to learn about the virtues created by saints in the minds of people. आज हम संत के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. The lesson name is Work of the Saints. This is your part 1, students. So today we are going to study about saints Sri Chakradhar Swami and Santa Namdev. Now student, what do you mean by saints? Do you know? Okay, I tell you. A saint is a person which recognized as having an exceptional degree of holiness or closeness to God. मतलब संत वो होते हैं जो गॉड के बहुत करीब होते हैं. वो एक महान इंसान होते हैं. वह हमें हमेशा अच्छा ज्ञान देते हैं. Now we begin with work of saints. Now the tradition of saints began in Maharashtra with Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Chokhamela. ये संतों का जो ट्रेडिशन है वो महाराष्ट्र से ही स्टार्ट हुआ है. Also includes sant from various parts of the society like Sant Goroba, Sant Sheikh Muhammad, Sant Tukaram, Sant Niloba. This also includes from various part of the society. Now these are the female saints: Sant Muktabai, Sant Soyrabai, Sant Janabai, Sant Nirmalabai, Sant Kanhopatra and Sant Bahinabai Shirurkar. These are the female saints from Maharashtra. They taught people various virtues like compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality and brotherhood. Now what do you mean by virtues? Virtues means a quality of being morally good. Compassion means pity for someone, means उनके लिए करुणा रखना कोई भी चीज़ के लिए. Then charity, to help people who are poor. दान करना, हम जो बोलते हैं ना दान करो वो. Then brotherhood, a feeling of great friendship. भाईचारा जिसे हम बोलते हैं वो. Now students, what our saints taught us? The saints taught us that no one is inferior, no one is superior. All are equal. Such was the sentiments that was created by saints in the minds of people. कौन छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, हम सब एक है. Saint taught people many things like you have to be kind, you have to help people in need, you have to do something good for others, and the first thing is you have to take name of God. हमें हमेशा भगवान का नाम लेना चाहिए, उनका ध्यान करना चाहिए. Children, if you are in trouble, first think what you do. Yes, first you take a God's name. Okay, now when you get hurt, what do you do first? Yes, the first name which comes out from your mouth is Oh my God. Right. जब हम किसी भी मुसीबत में होते हैं या हमें कुछ परेशानी होती है तब हम सबसे पहले भगवान का नाम लेते हैं. ये सब हमने कहाँ से सीखा है? जो संत थे वो हमेशा यही हमें चीज़ें सिखाते थे और हम उन्हीं से ये सब चीज़ें सीखे हैं. ओके. Okay, children. Now you can see a picture. Who's this in this picture? Yes, Santa Chakradhar Swami. So, today we are going to know about Santa Chakradhar Swami. And who was he? Sri Chakradhar Swami. He is Prince of Gujarat. He become ascetic and come to Maharashtra. Now children, what do you mean by ascetic? So ascetic means a simple and strict life usually become of their religious belief. बहुत ही सीधी और कठोर जीवन जगना जिसे कहते हैं वो. Now here, who believe in God, that person is taking only God's name. And he don't want anything, like he don't want money, he don't want any good things. मीन्स उन्हें बहुत ही VIP वाली लाइफ स्टाइल नहीं चाहिए, उन्हें एक सादी लाइफ चाहिए, सिंपल जीवन चाहिए और वो हमेशा भगवान का ही नाम लेंगे. दैट इज मीन्स ascetic life or ascetic. He moved all over Maharashtra preaching equality. Now, as I told you, what do you mean by equality? Yes, equality means no one is superior, no one is inferior. All are equal. Now, preaching. There is, what do you mean by preaching? So, preaching means the giving of moral advice. He did not believe in any discrimination based on caste and gender. मीन्स उन्होंने कभी भी मतभेद नहीं किए कास्ट और जेंडर से रिलेटेड या कास्ट और जेंडर को लेकर उन्होंने कभी भी डिस्क्राइमिनेशन नहीं किया. सो several men and women became his followers. He established sect as known as Mahanubhav. Now what do you mean by sect? Sect means subgroup of religious belief. A memorable incident of his life was complete in a book of Leela Charitra. It is a book which is written by Chakradhar Swami, in which his all incidents are written. That is mean by Leela Charitra. Now students, we are going to learn more about saints. Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev. Sant Namdev was a great devotee of Vitthal. वो विट्ठल भगवान के बहुत बड़े भक्त थे. He lived in village नारासी. वो नारासी नाम के गांव में रहते थे. He composed numerous songs in praise of God. उन्होंने भजन बहुत सारे भजन लिखे हैं जो भगवान के लिए भगवान को डेडिकेटेड होते हैं, उनके बारे में होते हैं, उन्हें हम भजन कहते हैं. आप सब लोगों ने सुने हैं ना भजन? Yes, so you all know the bhajans. He performed kirtanas. Now what do you mean by kirtanas? Kirtan means a song and stories based on religious theme. After he moved all over Maharashtra and spread Bhagavad Dharma and taught people deep devotion to God. Now what do you mean by Bhagavad Dharma? It means living according to the instruction of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He instilled in them the desire to protect their religion. Later he travelled all over India spreading the message of humanity. Now here humanity means sympathy or generous behavior. He travelled to Punjab and spread the message of equality. He composed songs in Hindi, of which some verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of 6. His songs are still sung all over Maharashtra with great love and devotion. Now, here, what do you mean by devotion? It means great love for somebody or something. Now, students, we will do a quick recap. Maharashtra is the land of saints. These saints had preached the virtues of compassion, non-violence, charity, service, equality, and brotherhood. Sri Chakradhar Swami, a prince of Gujarat, became an ascetic and preached equality. He founded Mahanubhav sect. Sant Namdev, a great devotee of Vitthal, composed many verses in praise of God and spread Bhagavad Dharma. He brought about a waking among people and instilled the desire to protect their religion. His verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. Now student, this is the homework for you. Fill in the blanks by using the correct option. Sant Namdev lived in the village dash. Second, dash was originally a prince from Gujarat. I hope student you all know the answers. Okay, so these are the answers. Correct answer. The Sant Namdev lived in the village Narasi and Sri Chakradhar Swami was originally a prince of Gujarat. Now students, name the following. First, he completed a book called Leela Charitra. And second, his verses are included in Guru Granth Sahib. I hope student you know the answer. You have to write this, fill in the blanks and name the following in your CW books. So students, today we are learn about Sri Chakradhar Swami and Sant Namdev. So we have finished our part 1. Thank you students and do your homework in your notebook properly. Bye.